Welcome everybody. Weather in Bogotá. My name is Anderson Sebastián Gil Acosta. I'm going to talk about the weather for the week from Monday, February 21 to Friday, February 25 in Bogotá. Monday 21. The weather will be warm and wet. The temperature will be 22 degrees. The night weather will be cold and cloudy with a temperature of 11 degrees. You can exercise or any kind of activity. Tuesday 22. The weather will be windy and cloudy. The temperature will be 18 degrees. At night the weather will be cold and rainy. You can drink a hot coffee. The temperature will be 9 degrees at night. Wednesday 23. The weather will be cold and stormy. The temperature will be 14 degrees. And at night the weather will be cold and rainy. The temperature will be 9 degrees. Take your umbrella. Thursday for 24. The weather will be sunny and clear. The temperature will be 25 degrees. At night the weather will be warm but wet. The temperature will be 15 degrees. You can eat ice cream. Friday 25. The temperature will be warm and windy. The temperature will be 21 degrees. At night the weather will be cold and rainy. The temperature will be 9 degrees. You can go run or ride bike. Thank you.